If you own a company in South Africa and you skip this step, your business can disappear. Do you know that every registered company in South Africa must file annual returns with the CIPC every single year? If you don't, your company can become inactive or even be deregistered. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your annual returns step by step so you can stay compliant and avoid penalties. Let's get straight to it. Before you start filing, make sure your company is registered with CIPC. You have your company registration number ready. You have access to your CIPC e-services profile. First, log into your account on the CIPC e-service portal. Once you're on the dashboard, the first page will give you a summary of your company's compliance status. As you can see here, my beneficial ownership filing is already completed. I covered that in my previous video, and I'll link that video for you. Now, let's move on filing the annual returns. Go to Transact tab, then select File Annual Returns. Next, click on the Annual Returns calculator. Enter your enterprise number and click Validate. The system will then display your company's details and director information. Once everything looks correct, click Continue to proceed. Next, enter your turnover. Your turnover is the total amount of money your business has earned from its activities. For instance, if you're selling or rendering services. So before any expenses or deductions, you need to enter that amount. In my case, I'll enter 0 because my company is not yet trading. I'm simply filing to keep it active every year. So once you've entered your turnover, click on Calculate Outstanding. The system will then show you how much you owe. This fee is what you pay to the CIPC to keep your company active and compliant. Annual returns are essentially a way for CIPC to confirm that your company is still active and operating. On the next page, you'll need to fill in your details, including your email address, telephone number, cell phone number, your business description, and your principal place of business. After that, answer the questions provided. Click on Expand and tick if any of the company information has changed. Once you're done, click Add to Cart, then proceed to Pay Now. Before making a payment, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. Then choose your preferred method of payment and complete the payment. Once everything is done, go back to your dashboard. You'll notice that the indicators are now green, confirming that both your beneficial ownership and annual returns filings are complete. And then lastly, you'll receive an email confirming that your annual returns are now filed. And that's it. Your company is now compliant and protected. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe because this April I break down business compliant in South Africa step by step so you don't get lost or make costly mistakes. So next I'll show you how to register your business on CIPC. So please don't miss it. Don't forget to like, share this with your loved ones. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for allowing me in your space and lending me your ear. Always remember that I love you. Have a lovely, productive day.